Think your car's electrical system is safe? Think again. Choosing the best multimeter for cars can be the difference between a minor fix and a costly disaster. Most mechanics miss this one crucial tool. Are you one of them? Stay tuned, because we're revealing the top multimeter that will make troubleshooting your car faster, easier, and foolproof. Let's start. Number 5. KAIWEETS digital multimeter is a powerhouse for automotive diagnostics, delivering up to 6,000 count precision across voltage, current, resistance, diodes, continuity, capacitance, and even temperature. With its auto-ranging function, large 2.9-inch backlit LCD, and easy-to-use LED indicators, testing your car's electrical system becomes fast and accurate. Safety features like IEC Cat 3-4 ratings, double insulation, and thermistor protection keep you protected, while the compact design, non-contact voltage detection, flashlight, and data retention make it durable, reliable, and perfect for any mechanic or car enthusiast. Number 4. QIANS Digital Car Tester Multimeter is a must-have for every car enthusiast and professional mechanic. This advanced multimeter measures DC-AC voltage and current, resistance, temperature, diode, transistor, continuity, motor speed, and even the dwell angle of your distributor. With full mechanical and overload protection, automatic power off, data hold, and low battery alerts, it ensures precision and safety. The ergonomic design with a large LCD, durable holster, and easy operation makes automotive diagnostics faster and more reliable, saving time while protecting your vehicle's electronics. Number 3. Klein Tools MM320 Kit delivers precision and versatility for every electrical task. This all-in-one kit includes a digital multimeter measuring up to 600 volts AC/DC, 10 amp DC current, and 2 ohms resistance, plus battery, diode, and continuity testing. The dual-range NCVT 3P voltage tester detects 12 to 1,000 volts AC, featuring a bright built-in flashlight for dark workspaces. ET45 covers AC 28 to 240 volts and DC 32 to 330 volts with a convenient test lead holder, while the RT210 receptacle tester identifies wiring issues instantly. Durable, reliable, and safe, this kit transforms car and home electrical diagnostics. Number 2. VDIAGTOOL V500 is the ultimate all-in-one automotive power circuit probe tester, designed to tackle any 9 to 30 volt car electrical problem with precision. Combining a multimeter, oscilloscope, relay fuel injector tester, and component activator, it delivers real-time waveform displays, polarity alerts, and easy-to-read LED buzzer signals. Test relays, fuses, trailer lights, sensors, and injectors effortlessly, while the foldable screen and flashlight enhance visibility. Portable, durable, and backed by a 3-year warranty. It's perfect for DIYers, technicians, and electricians seeking fast, accurate diagnostics every time. Number 1. KZYEE KM601 is the ultimate all-in-one automotive circuit probe kit that transforms car diagnostics. Combining oscilloscope waveform analysis, battery testing, fuel injector diagnostics, and component activation, it delivers 20-plus professional tests across 8 modes, all from one handheld tool. With 12 volts to 24-volt compatibility, safe short-circuit detection, and a 30-foot cable, it's perfect for garages and DIYers alike. Identify misfires, weak batteries, or relay issues instantly, save time, and prevent unnecessary part replacements. Durable, precise, and backed by lifetime support, the KM601 is true diagnostic power in your hands.